My people, it be like say it don't happen. It's already happening in our favor. About Natasha matter, Ruben Abati of Arise TV wife don't come out now, scatter everywhere. As I dey talk to una, so my people, Ruben Abati wife, the way they talk for this matter of sexual harassment to Natasha, so for the first time I am seeing outside my media, NWATCH media, seeing a woman vibrating over this whole matter. And people, they say there is no rest for the wicked. I would like make una hear Ruben Abati wife they talk. Hope say that chief whip, that Senate chief whip, or chief whip, or whip chief, no go come tell us say Ruben Abati wife see get 19 children with 19 men. I hope so we not go hear that one. Anyway, Mona listen to her.
The alleged sexual harassment where Chief Whip, counters Senator Natasha Abati, this situation for me, let me say it properly, this situation for me is both troubling and deeply disappointing. I was away for 3 weeks. I've been following the news closely. If a sitting senator, Senator Natasha Abati Uduagu, I hope I pronounced the last name properly, is facing such alleged intimidation and unethical, advances from the Senate president, what does that say about the political space for women in Nigeria? We need to keep it real on this platform. When powerful men use their influence to suppress allegations, to silence motions, and manipulate system, the media becomes the last resort for accountability. So Natasha's allegations aren't just personal grievances. They expose the abuse of power in Nigeria, especially when it comes to politics. I'm agitated about this news because Senator Natasha is one of those female figures, pushing forward the inclusivity of women in Nigerian politics, and knowing that this month of March, is talking about women in general. So they are currently not up to even 5 female senators out of, I think, 109, if I'm correct, in the Nigerian Senate. This is a small number in a country of over 200 million people. Out of those, 4 women effectively represent Nigerian female interests in such a male-dominated space is the question I'm asking now. The power of imbalance is in our faces. We can see the evidence, and Natasha's struggle reflects the greater battle for female political participation. I watched her interview following this saga closely. I've had different perspectives. I have my own opinion, as the reason why I'm talking about it on the trending section today. I watched the video where the chief whip of the Senate was uttering absolute nonsense. Yes, I say it again. Absolute nonsense. The response from Senate Deputy Chief Whip Senator Ruben, I don't know if that's his name right now, is even more appalling to me, if you ask me. Instead of addressing the core allegations, it resulted to personal attacks, shaming a woman based on her marital history, her marital challenges and children. The fact that the Senate Deputy Chief Whip came out to spill nonsense, for lack of a better word right now, is absolutely, I don't know the word to use now because I'm trying to hold my emotions. His statement about Natasha's children and personal life is disgusting to me. Why is it that when a woman stands her ground, the response is always to attack her personal life, her personal affairs, rather than addressing the issue at hand? If Akpabio truly obstructed her motion, made advances, why is the conversation not about that issue? Why is the conversation about her private life? I ask him pain. The hypocrisy is clear. If a man, let's keep it real on this platform, if a man marries 3 or 5 women, his praise is powerful. Right. If a woman has children from different relationships, she's condemned. What kind of hypocrisy is that? This is the same country where men in power have multiple wives. They opt from one woman to the other. They have mistresses, yet no one questions their ability to lead. The real question remains, why was Senator Natasha's motion on investigating corruption at Ajaokuta Steel Company repeatedly blocked? If the motion was in the interest of the Nigerians, why delay it? These are the issues that need answers, not childish name calling. When Natasha is fighting an important battle, she also needs to be strategic. This is where I think I need to emphasize on this. The challenges Nigerians face are bigger than personal fights now. We have poverty. We have lack of infrastructure in our country. We have insecurity. We have corruption. Name it. It's endless. She must balance her advocacy with a strong an issue-based approach to governance so that the public sees beyond these battles. Natasha's case is bigger than just her. Yes, I had an opinion about, how you carry yourself. Sometimes how you carry yourself makes, sometimes leads people on. But listen, that doesn't mean that women don't go through that struggle. It represents the struggle of Nigerian women who dare to step into a male-dominated space. We need more women in politics, and they must be treated with same respect that men are accorded. Men in power must understand that women do not owe them submission or favors or silence, because I think that, this issue at hand is really bigger than Natasha, and I must use this to cap my thoughts right now, because I feel that Natasha, again, must carry herself with dignity, and so that her name will not just end with the narrative of harassment with men. There's so much I believe that she can represent in that corridor of power. So she needs to be strategic about the issue at hand. And what the chief whip said about Natasha, I believe that he owes Natasha an apology, because you do not use women's personal struggles or personal challenges to want to redefine them. Remember, you are the daughter. Remember, you are the mother. And remember, you are the sister in your own front. Let this nonsense stop about women who are representing other women globally. I think this is where I draw the curtains of my opinion right now.
Unayera, this one a woman. A lot of women from NAIJA media are be advocating. They be putting their voices out there since when this sexual harassment happened between Senator Natasha Abati and the number 3 man for Nigeria, the Senate President Godswill Akpabio. Now, Ruben Abati wife don't scatter everywhere. In fact, now God will bless you, madam. We are waiting to hear more voices, especially from the women. From your gender, we want to see more of you. Speak, because this one only matter be say, you don't consign me, he consign me, you don't consign me. What Natasha is currently doing, she's doing it to save prospective women from falling in this kind of situation. That's what she's doing right now. She's fighting for herself, at the same time protecting other women from falling into this kind of satanic act. When I say today now, she does submit a petition for sexual harassment and abuse of power against the Senate President, the number 3 man for Nigeria. You want to tell me, say this kind of woman, when I'm not going to give her 3 boza? I bet somebody need to write her for comment section. Say, boza, boza, boza. Even though you and I know, say, this whole thing still based on allegation, allegedly. We never know where to be truth, where to not be truth. But at least, let the investigation be calm. Make the investigator. You guys have been bestowing pains, poverty, insecurity, corruption, every single thing way bad upon Nigerians since Nigeria was created. For the first time, if na man do this one, and they'll say because we get muscle, we get liver, we get this one. Now, woman, they drag number 3 man, so one day we will see that person we will come and drag president. We will see that one person we will come and drag governor. We will see that one person we will come and who again? If they don't drag the Senate president, any other person or that Senate president, they're too small. So let's talk about president one day. Listen, nothing lasts forever. There is an end to everything in life. We should have that. There's an end to everything in life. Natasha, thank Thank you for submitting that petition today. See the way my body they do me like this. I'm waiting to see the outcome of this. I can't wait. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, abeg Baba, do the right thing. You are the father of the nation. Do the right thing for us. We are tired of this suppression and intimidation. Do this right thing for us. Let me see the true judgment. Thank you very much, my people. 7 p.m. is around the corner. We will be talking extensively on this. Please share this video. This is NAIJA Watch Media. God bless you.